Welcome to the exciting world of SAP BI BW. In this slide, we'll touch on what it is, why it matters, and how it fits into SAP's larger ecosystem. Think of this as the backbone of data analytics in SAP. And no, it's not just another acronym, it's the future. By the end, you'll understand why SAP BI BW is essential for smarter decision-making. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Ever wondered about the difference between SAP BI and BW? Well, BI is your insight machine. It helps analyze data and make decisions. BW, on the other hand, is the warehouse where all that valuable data is stored and organized. Together, they're like peanut butter and jelly, each great on its own but magical together. Let's dive in and break it down. Why is SAP BW such a big deal? This slide highlights its features. Think efficient storage, amazing reporting tools, and the ability to grow with your business. It even plays nicely with SAP HANA. In short, SAP BW is the superhero your data needs to stay organized and ready to work wonders. Buckle up, because these benefits are worth it. Data warehousing might sound fancy, but it's all about keeping your data neat and tidy, like a Marie Kondo for information. SAP BW takes these concepts to new heights, ensuring your data sparks joy while driving business insights. Stick with me as we explore how data warehousing fuels smarter strategies in an organized way. Let's dive into reporting and query design. First, we'll grasp the basics of creating reports. No rocket science here. Then, we'll move into some advanced query techniques to make your report sparkle. I'll also walk you through tips for keeping reports fast and efficient. Finally, we'll troubleshoot common bumps on the road to success. Trust me, this session will make you feel like a reporting wizard. Welcome to the world of BW/4HANA. We'll start with a quick history lesson. Don't worry, it's short. Then, we'll explore its features and see how it makes data management easier. I'll also highlight why transitioning to BW/4HANA isn't just smart, it's essential. Stick with me, and soon you'll feel like a BW/4HANA pro. Let's talk about data flow and process chains. First, we'll cover how data moves through SAP BW. It's simpler than it sounds. Then, we'll examine the process chain components and design tips. Don't worry, troubleshooting is on the menu too. By the end, you'll handle data flow like a pro, with a smile on your face. Performance optimization. It's not just fancy talk. We'll see why it's so important and explore tools to boost your system's speed. I'll share how to spot bottlenecks that slow things down and discuss ways to fix them. You'll leave this session with practical tips to supercharge performance. Let's connect the dots. Literally, we'll discuss why integrating BW with analytics tools like SAC is crucial. I'll introduce you to these tools, show you how to link them, and explain the perks of a seamless integration. Trust me, it's like giving your data a turbo boost. The future is bright and full of trends. We'll look at emerging trends in SAP BW and BI and see how AI is changing the game. I'll also highlight innovations in data processing and stress the importance of staying in the loop. Get ready to embrace the future of SAP BW. We've covered a lot, haven't we? I'll quickly recap the highlights and remind you why learning never stops. I'll share resources to keep you sharp and discuss steps to move forward in your BW journey. Remember, the best is yet to come. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.